Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Yesterday I already made a discussion with them, and all the things are good. Without any information, how can you close the gate? You are taking the law and order in your own hand. This is not a fair. This is not a fair.
We are the students. We are
No,
facing
yeah,
many problems,
students
complaints.
cannot take law and order in their hand.
We are not taking law and order.
No, this is what you are doing. What you did, Arli. What you did. What you did. What you did. Just inform me, no?
We close it.
No, why you could?
Because
Have you informed anything? Have you given me any letter? Tomorrow I am coming to discuss with you. Have you given?
every time
No, not every time. Tomorrow you given anything?
No, but every time we came
I would like to discuss with the Vice Chancellor. Have you given? Just give my answer. Just give my answer.
But sir, every
Have you
time-
given any letter?
Yeah, for today.
Have you given any letter?
No, sir.
Nothing, no? Why without any information you close
But
the gate?
every time we
No,
came,
no.
you turn-
This
you
is
turn
not
that
a
ear
fair.
for others.
If you want to close the gate, you can close. But this is not a fair. You cannot take the law and order in your hand.
See, sir.
Yes, of course. Are you interested to discuss? Open the door. I am ready to discuss.
Yeah, we can discuss it here.
No, not here.
We can discuss
No,
it here.
inside the house. Inside the house.
One-
Inside the house. Inside the house. Okay. Yes, of course.
Majabrang! 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 Kan bau si umpat trek banyak bengi. Berbet borok kunum geram. Minum ailat, minum peli ya kan dia kaget. Minum syak nomor kamdeng jengmut.
Kajumut.
Kamdeng jengmut kan dia kaget. Lada borok kisnya jongki kena school. Borok student jongki ke universiti. Empen bet ka porobian. Borok saya kata kan office ka don. Kan balik kamdeng minum syak lekat bau umpat trek minum syak. VC down VC
Down.
VC down VC down VC down VC down
Of the institution. Your ambassador is here. He is discussing about the policies. Without any information, you just close the court. This is not a fair way.
So
I am always ready to discuss with the student,
We are
but
so-
not here, but outside. Why it is here? No.
Because you are not don't fulfill any or you don't comply any of
No,
our demands. So
discuss
the time
the
being,
already complied the
There is
demand.
no decision.
No, first discuss the things. No,
we have discussed every time.
no. Every time you discuss, the work is already other things is
No,
done.
no,
It's
no.
not
Without any information, all of you are doing this is not a fair.
We have discussed this
No,
many times.
not
And
not
no
without any
result.
information. Today, all of you are here. Yesterday, I already discussed the one group. The work is already going in the section. Even you just get always you have visited the examination center and close all the things. This is not a fair. You cannot do this. You cannot take the law and order in your hand. Everybody is bound to follow the law and order of the Meghalaya, law and order of the country. How can you take this?
Do we have the right to
No.
protest?
You can protest. Student can protest.
what
Student,
are we doing
every,
then?
no, this is not a protest debate. Without any information, you are here. Have you given to yesterday? You have given any information? Can you give me? I would like to discuss this matter. Given you any information? No.
We are here now for that thing only, no?
No,
sir?
here not to inform me. No,
Discuss
inform me properly. Now I would like to discuss the matter with again.
No, like, see,
But
sir,
even
we
though you
discuss
are
here-
not going to discuss, not inform me
No, let's discuss it
without
now.
any
We can discuss it here
information.
now.
I am in
No.
the meeting. In between, you just close the door and now just even threaten the.
Kan dia kena universiti Jomlo. Jomlo. Whose university is this? Ours, not yours.
Yeah, university is our.
Kan bau umpat trek banyak ni ada jemut ke bajai. Kan bau umpat trek ban sengap ke jing dawa ke jongi. Nginum sengapi ke ke bawang. Kam der jemut pun wan emosional lang ne. Baru wan doming yang bitaringi. Kan dia ke jemut. Kan ubisi wan. Kata wan. Kajing lek jong beliau basai. Nginum trek banyak keren. Nginum sengap. Nginum yang ni. Ini keren Asal dapat pura keren. With all due respect, sir.